Hey guys, Akbar's Minecraft here, and welcome to a different kind of video. Welcome to the vlog, yeah. So this is my first vlog. My heart is heartbeat. Oh my god, it's beating fast. But so yeah, this is my first vlog, and this vlog is just a simple thank you for 50 subscribers, and I didn't expect 50 subscribers. I expected 5. 5 was the best. I had a party about it. My friends, we were having fun. So yeah, I didn't know I could get this far actually, cause I'm just a small kid, and I'm 14 in the Philippines, and mostly commentators come from other countries like USA, Australia, UK, but I don't know what. How did I get this far? I don't even know. I just came out of the blue. Came out of white. Yeah, I'm not racist. No, no racism. Um. So yeah. All I wanna say is just thank you for the support, for all the views, for liking my vids, for subscribing. Oh my God, I can't believe people do this for me. I'm so special. So yeah. A big thank you for the guy that helped me get this far is Peter from The Creative Kids. He's Mr. Anonymous in the in-game name, and he's been like, he watched my vids, and he was like, hey, you have good content, and I really like your vids, so we should play together. And I was like, whoa, people actually talk to me in YouTube, and I'm like, add me in Skype so we can play together. It was like, oh my god, oh my god, we've been friends since he had 20 subscribers, and I got like seven subscribers, and now start from the bottom. Now we're here. We were doing a bet to who gets 50. Well, I got 50 first. Bye, Peter. And so yeah, just thank you. I don't know what else to say because I'm not good at this. So yeah, look, you see, it's my desktop. It's crappy, it's simple. So thank you to Peter and to all my friends, and yeah, bye bye.